Awesome.
That's really good. All right, a couple more. Good.
Cool.
I just kind of use my arm and just kind of flip over.
Good.
Just flip those legs up. Don't hurt me. Sorry. You okay? I gotta flip you too hard. Okay. I'm kind of learning my own way. You know what I mean? Try to get your legs over, get your momentum going.
It's hard. It hurts to round off on the hard floor.
Okay. Break?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I do flips and you'll spot me too?
Yeah.
What?
Can I do flips and you'll spot me too?
Yeah, but I'm liable to toot.